Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, welcome to my channel where I do lots of videos about girly tips and kink. And today we are going to be doing a video about my purses and the fact that I have too many of them and they're not stored well right now. So we're going to be doing a purse declutter and reorganization to give them the space that they deserve. I found all these cute dust bags from Etsy from a company called Personalization, which is so cute. It's these here and they're reversible, so there's the pink on the inside, and I'm super excited to reorganize all of my purses, but first we need to do the declutter, so let's get right into it. So my plan is to take all of them down from all the different spaces that I have my bags stashed away in and get them all out on the bed and look at them all at once, Marie Kondo style, and just only pick out the ones that spark joy. Okay, I successfully got all of my bags out. They are behind me and it's a lot of them. I'm going to be narrowing them down. And also, just a disclaimer, being in fashion blogging has allowed me to accumulate this many bags. Of course, you just need like one daily purse, honestly. This is mine right here, the one that I actually use every day. The rest are for my job, so just wanted to get that out of the way before we start. All right, this is a little Victoria's Secret backpack. It's very, very cute. I've used it for festivals, and you can stuff your phone and some snacks and a little water bottle in there. I like this one and I'm keeping it. So this little bag I got a long time ago. It's a Louis Vuitton replica and it's just kind of been hiding in the back of my closet. I haven't been using it. It's very stiff and definitely not real leather, so I think I'll be getting rid of this one. I had fun taking photos with it long time ago and it's had its day. So I have this adorable little berry colored Coach bag and it's really nice quality, but this chain is so heavy and I also don't like the color of the metal. It's like gunmetal colored, which isn't very me, so I think that this one can go. This one's really hard for me. I got this one actually the same day that I got that little berry colored one. And it's so cute. It has like the little turquoise bits on it. I don't know. I might have to part ways with this one because I just haven't worn it in all this time and it's a little bit of a bright pink, so I think that this one will have to go. I can't get rid of this one until I find a replacement for her because this little bag I got from Forever 21 for like $8. Tied these little bows on the corners and then just started using the heck out of it. Just like there's no tomorrow, and I still love it, so I think I'm gonna keep this one until I can find a perfect replacement for it, or until it falls apart. This bag I absolutely fell in love with this summer. It is so cute and versatile and very comfy to wear over the top of your shoulder, and you can literally fit so much into this little bag. Keeping it for next summer and for Hawaii. And then, like I was saying earlier, this is my everyday user bag. It's full of all my stuff, and I can feel it. This is the Louis Vuitton Pochette Matisse, and it's in the rose powder color, or rose powder, or however French people say it. I don't have an accent, but yeah, this is absolute favorite. I'd love to get it in nude someday to be a little bit more versatile with my pink outfits, but for now, this is my favorite bag out of all of them. This one I love taking traveling, kind of as my replacement for my Pochette Matisse, because if I'm going to like Thailand, for example, which is where I used this a lot, this was kind of my everyday user bag. It's really lightweight and cute still for all the photos, and I got it from Lauren Conrad from Kohl's. So I kept this one for a while because I really liked the way the handles worked, but looking at it now, I just feel like it looks really cheap. It just kind of doesn't feel like something I want to use. So with that said, this one is going to leave. So I have these two ruffle bags from Nine West. and I found them both at Ross, and they're very, very cute. I found the gray one first, and the nude one was the second addition to my closet. And I think I like the nude one much more. I used to like gray a lot more than I do now, but I think that the gray one can go. I just recently found this little shoulder bag from Goodwill, and I thought it was so cute, and I was wanting more brown neutral bags. So I'm not even sure what brand this is, but I'm going to keep it and use it for fall. So this one I was so obsessed with for a very long time, and it's from Michael Kors. I don't really wear lilac as much these days, but it is such a cute bag still. I really wish it was just like in nude or white or pink or something like that. And so I might have to let this one go. It's really hard, but I did wear it a good amount. These are a few Michael Kors bags that I am keeping. Just to run through them really quick, this one was from the Michael Kors collection. I still love it. I just want to get more use out of it. This is definitely one that I'm keeping. This is the Brooklyn bag from Michael Kors, and it's definitely a really cool look. It's a little shoulder bag and very nice leather. And then this one has been around since the dawn of time. It's the Savannah bag in Blossom, I believe, and it's so one of my favorites. I've gotten lots of compliments on it. This pretty little one was from Aldo, and it's such nice squishy plush leather. The pink shade of it is beautiful, and it really matched my aesthetic a little while ago, but my favorite color does change within shades of pink, and it's just not really my favorite shade anymore, and it's just no use leaving it sitting in my closet where I probably won't wear it. This is my tote bag, and it's from Ted Baker. It's got the little rose gold bow on it. It's a little bit heavy for a tote bag, but it's very structured, and I like that. And it's got like a little matching envelope here to put other accessories into. So I'm definitely keeping this one. It's very, very cute. So I think I've narrowed down all the bags that I want to get rid of. These are all the bags that I decided to keep and will be organizing into my closet. And over here are the bags that I decided to get rid of and cleared out. They will be listed on my Poshmark soon. I got a whole bunch of these beautiful dust bags, as well as some pillow fillers from Personalization on Etsy, just to make storing the bags I don't use on a daily super beautiful and luxury. So here's the spot that I plan to put all the bags, and I think that my eye measurements are correct whenever I think that most of my bags will fit up there. These are my most debatable. Okay, so this one fits perfectly. Oh my gosh, just barely. They are literally the perfect fit. This one though, this one can fit all smushy like that, but I feel like the whole point of this was to store my bags in a better way, so I would just feel wrong about having the straps bent like that. So I think that this one I will store hanging up somewhere so it kind of preserves its natural shape. So now time to go cover them all in dust bags and see how many I can fit up here. So now all of my bags are stored in one place, almost. I have a few still right by my door just because this is where I use them the most and it feels right. But the rest of them are now all stored up along here. The only thing I could see not liking about this setup is the fact that you can't see all the bags. I'm a very visual person, so whenever I'm making an outfit, I like to be able to see what I'm pairing with what and look at all my options. But I have a fix for this, and I use an app where you pretty much keep inventory of your closet. And as you can see, I have all of my bags here, and I can just scroll through them. I use this a lot in making outfits in the car and stuff. And it's not sponsored, it's just something I use a ton, and the reason why I'm okay with covering all my bags up in nice little dust bags to keep them safe. So here is my finished purse reorganization. I am super happy with it and it looks just beautiful. And I love my dust bags from Personalization. I will of course link those down below. Now I just need to reach this level of organization for everything else in my life. Next is shoes maybe, if you guys would want a video on that. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Subscribe to my channel if you want more girly tips and pink videos. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.